Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about South Africa. Country in South Africa. South Africa is country on the southernmost tip of the African continent, marked by several distinct ecosystems. Inland safari destination, Kruger National Park is populated by big game. The Western Cape offers beaches, lush winelands around Stellenbosch and Paarl, craggy cliffs at the Cape of Good Hope, forest and lagoons along the Garden Route, and the city of Cape Town beneath the flat-topped Table Mountain. And next is capital city of South Africa is Cape Town, Pretoria, and Bloemfontein. And dialing code is +27. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in South Africa, they can start with their in their mobile +27 and then mobile number, then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. The population is 6 crores as per 2021 World Bank records, and official languages are Afrikaans, English, Northern South Sotho, Xhosa, that means Xhosa, Zulu, official languages, Southern Sotho, Swana, Swanga, and Venda, Swati, and Nebulele. These are the official languages of South Africa. So you can understand this, how many languages are the official languages in there in 6 crores of population of South Africa. These are the wonders of the world. And next point is around in official languages are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, around 11 official languages are there for the people of 6 crores above population in South Africa. These are the official languages. Means you can understand the wonder of the South Africa. And in South Africa, poor or rich. South Africa is poor or rich. The economy of South Africa is the third largest in Africa and the most industrialized, technically advanced and diversified economy in Africa overall. South Africa is an upper middle income economy, one of the 8 such countries in Africa. Next point is what are the South African known? What are South Africans known for? What is the South African famous for? South Africa loves variety. It has 3 capitals. Even South Africa is having 3 capitals. That is also another loss of the South Africa, because the requirements will go entire the South Africans will go to the entire South Africa for these 3 reasons of 3 capitals. 11 official languages, 21 national parks, and 10 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The country is famous for its spectacular landscapes and a diversity of African animals. Next point is South Africa a good place to live? Is South Africa a good place to live? Living in South Africa has many perks. It is a stunning country filled with unbeatable natural splendor, vibrant cultures, mouth-watering cuisine, and activities to tickle any fancy, as well as warm kelikili, that means welcome. The permeates its people, business and towns. Next point is why is South Africa so special? It is the only country on the world to contain an entire floral kingdom. It is home to more kinds of animals than North and South America combined, or Europe and Asia together. South African grasslands have approximately 30 species per square kilometer, greater than the biodiversity of rainforests. Next point is, why do people leave South Africa? Many people leave South Africa to seek career progression and enhancement overseas, where their passions and professions might not be provided for in South Africa. Citizenship, the opportunity to give their children passports or citizenship of the countries of their ancestry. Next point is, what are the two things South Africa known for? South Africa is extremely rich in mining and minerals and considered the world's leader with nearly 90% of all the platinum metals on earth and around 41% of all the world's gold. South Africa is home to the oldest meteor scar in the world, the Ready Fort Dome in a town called Paris. Paris means it's not Paris city, it is Parys, Paris. Next point is, where do South Africans move to? Where do most South Africans move to United Kingdom? 3 times as many people emigrated from South Africa between 2015 and 20, over 128,000 people, than between 2010 and 2015. The data you showed. So they are mostly 20% of the people are migrating to UK for survival purpose. And the next point is South Africa climate. South Africa has both subtropical and temperate climate conditions, which are influenced by the ocean along the east and west coasts, as well as the interior plateaus, bringing a cool, wet climate in the Drakensberg region to warm subtropical in the northeast and Mediterranean climate in the southwest. This is the information regarding South Africa. Wishing you all the best. Why I did this video is, those who are interested to go to South Africa for educational purpose or business purpose or traveling purpose, they should know the fundamentals of the information. For that purpose only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.